Hello everybody! Today we want to show you how our system works and how you can listen to it without mounting on your car. We provided this intentionally so that you could connect our system to the car before the purchase and listen how it works right away. You don't have to mount it for this, it only takes few minutes. We provided this intentionally and today you'll see how it works. First of all, our wiring has three connectors. A diagnostic connector, which we connect to the car, a connector for an electronic model, which we connect, and by default, wiring goes to a couple of speakers. You can connect one or two as well. All this spans into a place for several seconds literally. So what you have to do? First, we take emitters and put them approximately under the rear bumper. Then, we take wiring and electronic model. We take two wires that goes to emitters and connect them with emitters. 1 and 2. Next, we take our electronic model and connect it to this connector. It's all fast and simple. And now, it's only one thing left to do, is to connect the diagnostic connector to the car. And the last thing, now we take a smartphone and run our Ixsound Pro application. It connects via Bluetooth with our electronic model and the system is ready to work. We only have to press on button. It works like that. And then you can change the sounds, try different options, and you already hear the sound of our system on your car. I also want to draw your attention to one thing. You don't have to go to the phone settings and look for our model in the Bluetooth section. The system automatically connects the phone, as you may see. You only have to run the application.